In the previous video, we saw how to hide the cell contents in an Excel file, but that technique was a partial one as it still showed the contents in the formula bar right here. In this video, we will see how to hide the cell contents in an Excel file, not only from the plain sight, but also make it invisible on the formula bar. Here's how. To accomplish this, we need to protect our worksheet. But before we do that, let's open our Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab and select the checkbox that says Hidden. Once the cells are marked as hidden, in case you want the cell contents to also be hidden from the normal view, just follow what we saw in our previous video, which is going to the Format Cells dialog box again, and under the number tab, go to the custom and then type in 3 semicolons under the type field. So now the cells are hidden under the plain side, which is normal view, but it is shown on the formula bar as you can see here on the screen. So let's now hide it from the formula bar as well. To do that, go to the Review tab and choose Protect Sheet from the Changes tab group and simply click OK. For this demo purpose, I haven't given any password, but you can give a password if you want to. That's all. Now all the cells are hidden not only from the normal view but also from the formula bar. To make it visible again, just unprotect the sheet and you can see the cell contents on your formula bar. You can make use of this trick to hide any behind the scenes formulas or any calculation that you don't want your users to see. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video.